Hi, I'm Josh Lambert, a product manager here at GitLab, and I'm responsible for the Verify Runner group. And I'll be walking through the issues that we plan to deliver in our 12.4 release. We are primarily focused on addressing high priority bugs in this release, and four in particular. The first and most important is an issue where in our Kubernetes executor, there are some instances where a job which is terminated or potentially fails in the middle is still reported as a successful job back up to GitLab itself. This can lead to a number of undesirable behaviors, as you can imagine, that the pipeline essentially may still continue with a partially built or bad code that failed unit testing. We want to make sure we solve this for our users. We don't know exactly what's causing it or exactly all the um, instances when it can happen. And so we've actually allocated quite a bit of time in this release to get to root cause and then fixing it. So this is an important one for us to address. The next two are related to job cancellation. The first one is that you can set job timeouts, but in some cases, these aren't taken into account and the runner can still just keep on running the job. This can lead to wasted compute time, which of course can cost money, as well as it could, again, just continue to have some jobs which should be stopped, just continue to tie up resources, which can lead to scaling challenges if you don't have auto-scaling systems in place. So we're looking to solve this to help address those challenges. Similarly, we also want to solve the issue where in some cases, when you click cancel in the GitLab UI, the runner continues to run the job. It'll be canceled, and so future later stages and jobs will not continue to run, but that job itself would continue to execute. And this, again, could cause some unnecessary usage in compute costs, as well as potentially some unexpected behavior where you cancel the job, but it still might run to completion, which again might not be expected. So we wanted to address this challenge here in this release as well. And finally, we're also looking to make improvements to really, resolving a bug and the fact that for our users on AWS and at scale, you can start to run into the AWS API limits with a Docker Machine Executor. We've traced this back actually to issues with the Docker Machine AWS plugin itself and how it interacts with the AWS API. But essentially, once you get into this state, it just continues to utilize the API and continues to trigger essentially the rate limit and doesn't have proper back office in place, and is also making some inefficient usage of some API calls. And so what we're looking to do here is we're actually looking to solve this issue rather than trying to band-aid it at the GitLab runner side. We're actually looking to solve it at the Docker Machine side. Now, since Docker Machine is in maintenance mode and they haven't been quick to merge our previous contributions, we're actually going to be forking Docker Machine and addressing some of the important bugs that we're hitting in this fork and offering it out to customers that they then can use. And this will essentially continue to do this for, again, high priority bugs in Docker Machine while we work to have a alternative in place for Docker Machine going forward. We're making progress on the Windows auto-scaling runner right now, and that is being utilized to help explore other auto-scaling runners that we can use, or executor types that we can use for other systems like Linux and things like Mac as well. So we're exploring that now, but in the interim, again, for our users who are using Docker Machine, which is a lot of folks, we wanted to improve this particular pain point here on AWS. So those are the four issues that we're planning to deliver here again in 12.4, primarily focused on closing some high priority bugs. Please let us know if your thoughts and feedback on, of course, CI them in general. So you can find us in the issue tracker and please ping us on the team. And with that, we're looking forward to your feedback and can't wait to ship these fixes to you in 12.4. Thank you.